Hello, welcome to this Getting Started tutorial. Today we're getting started with Plunkett Research. In this short video, we'll go over how to access Plunkett Research, what kind of information is available in this database, and how to complete a search. Let's get started. Visit the library's website at lib.purdue.edu to access the library's A to Z list of databases. You'll find Plunkett Research on this list. Plunkett Research offers business intelligence, industry trends, statistics, market research, and company lists. Detailed industry reports and company profiles are also available. This is the Plunkett Research homepage. At the top of the page, you can navigate directly to the industry or company search pages, locate information by a specific industry group, or explore trending industries including top trends and statistics. You'll also find video guides and user tips on the homepage, as well as access to additional tutorials and documentation. Let's look at the company search page. From here we have a variety of search options. We can search for companies within a major industry group, search by keyword or phrase, or select criteria to build a more specific search. For this example, we'll search for snack food manufacturing companies headquartered in the US. Here's the list of results, which include the company name, exchange, industry, number of employees, sales, location info, and NAICS code. To access more information on a specific company, just click on the company name. This will open a company profile, which includes contact info, business types, industry ranks, a brief description, and a list of executives. Further down the page, you'll find company financials for the last few years and may have additional options to compare the company to industry averages or other companies. Additionally, you'll find other brands, divisions, and affiliates of this company, as well as top salaries when available. Citation information along with print and download options are located at the top of the report in the upper right corner. Plunkett Research also includes job seeker information, which you can find from the Job Seekers Resources and Tools button on the homepage. From here, you'll be able to access job market statistics and links to job search sites. Now you know how to access Plunkett Research, what kind of information is available in this database, and how to complete a search. For more information and other business-related resources, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. If you have any questions, please contact the Parish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.